Hi, TRS students. Welcome to week 11. This week you have one learning activity, which is your 11th learning activity, and you only have one more after this. So 12 learning activities total for this semester. You're on your 11th, so you only have two more, one more after this. This learning activity is going to help familiarize you with the research process for your final paper in English 101. Remember, your final paper will be a policy paper where you will locate a specific problem in your community, maybe a hobby of yours, maybe at work, or maybe something to do with your major at MCC. Okay, you'll then come up with a unique solution to that problem, building on what other writers have said about the problem. Now, when you're researching the problem, you might not find something specific about your specific problem. That's okay. Okay, you want to think, say you want to pick up, maybe fixing a littering problem at your local park. Okay, you might not find a article that's specific about that park, but you're going to find articles nationally or even statewide about littering at a park and how people are proposing to solve those problems. Okay, so even though your problem might be very specific, you might not find a research article that fits your specific problem. Do not get discouraged. Okay, that's okay. And the fact that you can't find something that's already been written about that problem means that the problem hasn't been solved. Okay, so you're able to come up with a unique solution to solve that problem. Okay, so I want you to look at this web video. There's this video lecture on how to research your final topic. Okay, take careful notes. And then your learning activity will basically be, I want you to start to provide some of those sources that you might use for your final paper. Start coming up with an interesting problem, right? Last week we had to do the brainstorming. Start thinking about your problem and now researching that problem. You may use, for example, here's the Dropbox right here. You may use the Purdue OWL, which is a really helpful resource for using MLA formatting for finding your final or your research. Okay, so you'll find this. You'll find the source. How do I then extrapolate the information from that source for my works cited page? On Thursday, you don't have anything due. I simply want you to work on your final essay for English 101. I have office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. If you have any questions, swing on by or let me know if there's a different day and time that work for you. Have a great week.